Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, DIY Ideas. How to start organizing a terrace? The first thing is to think, do you prefer to prioritize the outdoor dining room or living area? The guidance is key to choosing well because the sun and shade will condition the hours of use of one or the other. The best advice: do not try to cover too much and do not fill it with furniture. Choose based on the shape of the terrace and the rooms that face it. The most important thing is to think about when you're going to be outside and what you see from the inside. It is important that you like it. If the decoration inside and outside is similar, your house will look larger. How do I protect myself from the sun without losing my views? There are alternatives from the wind and the sun, from simple awnings to glass enclosures, which can be opened or closed depending on the moment. If you like the view but you don't want to lose privacy, play with media such as lattices or planters with tall plants. Details that matter. Fabrics and lights. Fabrics. The variety of outdoor fabrics is becoming more beautiful, resistant, and of quality. It is very important to look at the table and make sure of the properties of each fabric. Choose fabrics that guarantee to be waterproof, resistant to UV rays, with anti-stain treatment, anti-mold, and that withstand temperature changes. They are a bit more expensive, but the investment is worth it. What furniture should I choose? Choose quality furniture that is well resistant to the outdoors. To be collecting and removing or covering furniture, at first it does not seem to matter, but in the long term it is an inconvenience. You will find a variety of styles with furniture in aluminium, steel, and natural woods. How do I calculate how much space I need? If you want a sitting area, calculate that a sofa or a chill-out bench needs about 9 meters too. If you prefer to occupy your terrace with a dining room so that the table and chairs fit well, also calculate 9 meters too. If you want a barbecue or auxiliary furniture, add a couple of meters. Decks are primarily made of wood or a composite wood material or vinyl like tracks. Popular woods for decking include redwood, cedar, and pressure-treated pine. Properly cared for, decks offer a beauty and warmth unlike any other material. You can stretch out on a deck without a cushion and still be quite comfortable. Unlike a concrete or brick patio, a wood deck needs to be maintained yearly to preserve its beauty. This might require scrubbing or sanding. If the deck has gone too long without regular care, it might need to be refinished or painted. Either one will require prep to make sure there aren't any loose nails, screws, or boards. It should also be sanded or refinished to ensure there are no peeling pieces of wood that could cause splinters. A variety of deck products are available depending on the scope of the repair project. Like patios, decks can be attached to a house or freestanding. Decks often are built to take advantage of a view. Decks can be different levels and often need railings. Certain types of wood and composite decking are resistant to insects. Unlike natural wood, composite and vinyl decking don't splinter and usually don't warp. Depending on the material, a patio will also need to be maintained, although it doesn't require the same level of attention as a deck. Bricks might need to be replaced, pure gravel should be cleaned and raked, and concrete might need to be cleaned to get rid of mold and mildew. The lighting. Plan at least 2 different lights, indirect and decorative light, in the points that you want to illuminate: a planter, a plant, a lattice. This lighting will make you enjoy the terrace in a relaxing way, even from inside the house. Then, direct lighting to turn it on when necessary, when we go to dinner to read. You will get it through spotlights or floor lamps.